I was in a contemporary world history course where we were talking about India's history with colonization and how that's impacted people today. Specifically, we were talking about the caste system. A lot of people were looking at me to kind of like talk about my experience, when in reality, I didn't have that much of an experience with the caste system or with discrimination really in general. And I didn't even know what caste I was until I asked my parents after this class, when we were writing about this essay about how like discrimination and oppression has impacted our lives, to actually write like a good essay. I ended up just regurgitating what I had been told. When you're being taught that something is a certain way and you're asked to write essays about that, whether or not you've truly experienced what they're talking about, you kind of just have to go along with it and just write the essay as they've asked you to. Regurgitating a narrative that the caste system has like oppressed me horribly just made it a lot easier of an essay to write, and that reflected in the score I got. My name is Karthik Gottipati, and I'm a senior at Palo Alto High School.